Hello everyone, marhaban, and thank you for watching Edupedia World videos. This lesson is prepared and presented by Hiba Abu Niaj. Now let's do some revision for what we have learned so far. Read out. Please read the first line from right to left, then repeat the same thing for the second, third, and fourth line. When you finish, listen to my reading. In the first line, starting from the right, we have ba, a, ta, tha. In the second line, ta, ba, tha, a. In the third line, tha, a, ta, and ba. The last letter in the fourth line is da. If you still remember, we have mentioned in the first lesson that there is a unique letter to the Arabic language. That letter is Dhad, and its sound is da, as da in duck. Match. Here, try to remember how to say duck, crown, rabbit, and fridge in Arabic, then match the Arabic word to the letter that starts with. Let's begin. Duck is Battah. It starts with ba. Crown is Taaj. It starts with ta. Rabbit is Arnab. Begins with a. Fridge is Thallajah. Start with tha. Actually, we're still discovering the Arabic letters. Today I'm going to show you another 3 similar letters. So, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to read, write, say, and identify the Arabic letters. Let's begin. Well, can you imagine that from this shape we will get 3 different Arabic letters? But my question is, what makes the 3 letters different? Think. What do you think? The answer is simply just a dot. How? Let's check. If we add a dot inside that shape, its sound would be ja. The shape with no dots is ha. If the dot on the top, it is kha. So we have from right to left, ja, ha, then kha. Again, ja, ha, and kha. Now, let's talk more about each letter. Starting with ja, its sound as ja in jar, ja. If you want to link the letter ja with an Arabic word, it would be Jamal, which is camel. So camel in Arabic is Jamal. Ja-ma-l, Jamal. To write the letter ja, you start with drawing an eyebrow shape, then draw capital C shape. After you add a dot inside. We have 3 steps: eyebrow shape, then C shape, and after that you put a dot. Actually, all the letters that we have learned so far, which are a, ba, ta, and tha, are written on or above the line, while ja, if you have noticed, there is a part of it above the line, while the other part is below. Check carefully how to write it, then start to practice its writing. Are you able to identify the letter J? So, read these words and then find out all J in each word. Once you finish, you are able to check your answers. So, the last letter in each word is J, while the second word, this one, is Akh and it doesn't have any J. Listening task. Are you able to get the words that have J sound? Listen carefully, then write down the words that have J sound. I have 3 sentences. I'm going to repeat each sentence twice. The first one. زار جلال الجد. زار جلال الجد. The second sentence. زارت جليلة الجدة. Again. زارت جليلة الجدة. The third sentence. أكل الجزر. أكل الجزر. So what are the words that have J sound? The answer is, the words that have J sound are Jalal, which is boy's Arabic name, Jalila, which is girl's Arabic name, Al-Jad, which means the grandfather, and if you still remember, we have discussed this before. If you want to say a grandfather, just take off L sound. So, Al-Jad means the grandfather, while Jad means a grandfather. Another word that has J sound, Al-Jadda, which means grandmother or exactly the grandmother. Finally, Al-Jazar, which means the carrot, and to say a carrot, it will be Jazar. That's all about the letter J. Now let's learn more about Ha. In fact, there is no equivalent in English for Ha. But to get the right sound of this letter, imagine that you blow on your eyeglasses to clean them. Try it now, and you will get the right sound of Ha. 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 Try it again, and I'm sure you will get it right. One word that starts with Ha is Halib. Halib, which means milk. It's 3 syllables. Halib. Halib. Writing Ha is the same as writing J, but the difference is Ha has no dots. So you start with eyebrow shape, then C shape to get the letter Ha. Now you can copy the letter while you are watching the proper way for writing Ha. It's time to test yourself. Can you see the letter Ha? Look carefully, then try to find Ha in the following words. And then you can check your answers. All the words have Ha at the end except the first one. This one, which is Dajaj, it doesn't have Ha, but it has Ja. Well, do you feel that finding words with ha sound would be confusing for you, or it would be okay? To get the answer, let's listen to the following sentences and find out all the words that have ha sound. I have just two sentences. The first one is جلس حسان في الحديقة. Again, جلس حسان في الحديقة. The second sentence, شرب الحليب. شرب الحليب. So these are the two sentences, and what words have you found? And let's see. The three words that have ha are Hassan, which is an Arabic name for boys, Hadiqa, which is garden, and Halib, which is milk. Now, it's the time to know more about the third similar letter, about Kha. Let's start. With respect to Kha, it's as the letter Ha. There is no equivalent in English. But this sound you can find it in German language. There are a lot of words that begin with Kha, but one of them is Kharoof. Kharoof. And Kharoof means sheep. Kharoof, it's 3 syllables. Kharoof. Kharoof. Again, it means sheep. Well, Ja, Ha, and Kha, these 3 letters have the same writing steps, but the difference is in the place of the dots. Let's go directly, and now you can directly practice its writing, and this time I think it will be easier for you, and you will write it in a fast way because you become familiar with this kind of letter or this shape of letter. Once you become ready, you can go to the next step. And the next step is testing yourself. Find out. Not all of the following words have Kha, so you have to look carefully and try to find out all the words that have Kha only. Don't mix up between Ja, Ha, and Kha. Take your time to find out Kha. Once you are ready, go to the next step, which is checking your answer. There are only 3 words that have Kha. This one, بطيخ, it has Kha at the end. نسخ and مخ. While the others, the first one has J at the end. تسبح, it has H at the end. روح, it has H at the end. So only 3 letters with Kha sound. Now listening task again. Every time, especially in listening task, you will become better and you will pick up the words more easier. Now I have 3 sentences. As usual, you have to listen well and try to find the word that has Kha sound. The first sentence is دخل سامي المطبخ. دخل سامي المطبخ. The second sentence قطع الخس. قطع الخس. The third sentence وضع الملح والخل والليمون. وضع الملح والخل والليمون. Have you get them all or not? Actually, if you get all the 4 words right, that's excellent. If you get 3 out of 4, that's good. And if you get 2, that's not bad at all, but you need to do more practice. The words are, we have دخل. دخل means he entered. المطبخ, which is the kitchen. الخس, lettuce or the lettuce. الخل, the vinegar. These are the 4 words that have kha sound. Actually, that's all today about the similar letters, about ja, ha, and kha. Now I will give you an extra reading task. Are you ready? Let's see the task. Can you read that sound? Right, it's a. How about the next one? It's ba. Well, if you join a and ba to each other, it will give a word in Arabic. It is ab. Ab means dad. Ab means dad. Now, on the second line, again, it starts with a, then we have another sound, which is kha. Join the 2 sounds with each other, it will become akh. Akh in Arabic means brother. So, ab means dad, akh means brother. One more thing I need to add it. If you add e sound at the end of ab, it will be abi. And abi means my dad. Can you add e sound to akh? The answer is akhi. And akhi means my brother. One more time. Ab means dad. Akh means brother. Once we add e sound at the end of the noun, it becomes my, or it gives the meaning of my. Abi, my dad. Akhi, my brother. Hope you enjoy it. That's all for today. Please don't forget to link each letter with an Arabic word. Thank you for watching. Keep on practicing and إلى اللقاء.